What all we need to consider while prescribing the constitutional medicine or the anti-psoriatic or the genetic constitutional similimum? We have to take into consideration the genetic makeup of the individual, which includes extrovertedness, introvertedness, strong will, weak will, intellect of the patient, morals of the patient, speed of development of the pathology, side affinity, the peculiar sensitivities of the patient at the level of mind or at the level of the body, the reactions of the patient which are constant at times of conflicts or stress, and also the physical generals and the physical particulars. So, in short, we are prescribing on the genotype of the patient. Now, when certain conflicts and situations cause expression of formerly dormant characters, we have to give more importance to the conflict or the circumstances. And that is where we have to first prescribe on the altered state or the phenotype and follow it up with a genotypic similimum. This is also in congruence with what we read in genetics. So, when we are prescribing a GCS, we are basically prescribing on the DNA, and when we are prescribing the state remedy or the phenotypic remedy, we are prescribing on the RNA. And what is of prime importance is that we are able to differentiate what approach we have to follow in what kind of case that is in front of us. Now, when do we prescribe a state remedy or a phenotypic remedy? We have few examples. Firstly, in acute, fast advancing pseudosyphilitic cases, we have to first stop the destruction that is taking place and then prescribe for the patient. Secondly, in autoimmune cases, we have to first prescribe based on either the autoimmune thought process or the situation which took the patient into autoimmunity, or maybe a confusion of identity at times. Thirdly, in cases of genetic mutation cancers, that is, cancers with P53 mutations. And lastly, in all our ICU and emergency cases, there we have to resort to the phenotypic similimum in order to save the life of the patient and follow it up with the constitutional remedy once the patient is out of danger.